We're here going to demonstrate how to build a fan, show you what the fan is about, and take out from the box. And you'll decide if this product may be right for you. You're shopping for a ceiling fan for a nice large room, living room, bedroom, kitchen, whatnot. We're going to unbox this, hang it up, show you what it looks like, what it's all about. Show you how this is nicely presented in the box. It is wrapped up beautifully, protected by a piece of cardboard or your blade. Blades made of wood. The instruction guide by Viason. We're going to show you the other parts that come here. The small gimbal attachment, hand wrapped. Just underneath where the blades is your hardware and counterweight. Your cosmetic cover for the ceiling fan's top. A medium-sized pole, removing the foam, the motor and cover. A large light and cover. The bracket and bracket cover. Last but not least, your remote control, your hanger, 2 AAA batteries, and transmitter. With the bracket we're going to hang up. That's the first thing we're going to do, is find a spot and lock it down. Decide if you want to take the short gimbal or the long gimbal. And we're going to use the long gimbal because we want to show you how to take it off of here and place it on there. Before we get started, we just want to show you that there are 3 bolts on each of the arms to remove. And we're going to do that first by the table. With a manual or an automatic screwdriver, remove all the screws. Now we're going to take the blades. We want to make sure we put the right side correctly up, and that would be the grain side and not the solid side. And you're simply going to turn it correctly, grain to the ceiling, place on, and place in the 3 bolts that you just taken off and back on. We have 3 screws that are on the main part. Simply take off. Take your light fixture, slide the wires over, and you're going to match up these holes to those holes. Then we have this module here that's going to get plugged in, and make sure you do it the correct way. The clip facing up to the ceiling. Squeeze in. You have the cover. You're going to simply place on and close up. We're going to unwrap. We're going to take the leads, and before you snake through, make sure you have that little hole here facing to the ceiling, so you can snake this through. All the leads are through. Pull. Loosen up the screws. Cotlet pin out. Place in and through. Lock down. Tighten up this bottom area. On this piece, you're going to remove the ground if you use it, remove the cotlet pin, and remove the bolts. Slide everything down. When this is all locked into place, covers the top and closes for security. Take the top piece, slide through, and then put your gimbal on. Slide your wires through, slide down, place the pin on, find the hole on top, place the bolt on, and secure down. On the floor, what we're going to do is going to place the lights on and the motor in, and hook up your ground, neutral, and load to the top. Your antenna slides through, Your unit slides through and hook your leads up. With the help of a friend, you slide your gimbal on and reposition your leads into the lights. Slide in your top piece to the top as shown. But before you do that, lock into place and then slide in. You're going to loosen up some of the screws up here to put your cover on. The batteries are installed and we have the controller in hand. We have an on and off of the lights. We have a DW, NW, and WW that are different Kelvin levels. As we press on the WW, press on the NW, and we press on the DW. We'll shut the lights off so you get an idea of what these lights are about. We have a decrease. We can hold the button down and it takes a slow time to dim, 10%. And we could change the kelvins and we could increase. And you can see the different level. What we'll do is turn the lights on and go over the fan speeds. We have 6 speeds. We'll just do number 6. It has a smart memory, so what it'll do, it'll check and then go. There's a quiet fan. We have a night mode, probably for the light, and a recycle, forward and reverse. We're on summer mode clockwise. We press on this button here, and the fan should stop, change directions. If the fan wobbles, you put the weight on to count the weight. As the fan is going to change from forward, clockwise, to reverse, counterclockwise, you see it do a smart check and then spin. It increased to speed number 6. For winter time, suck the air up to the ceiling. We have, here's a night mode. We press the night mode. And that will quiet down the fan and run slow. If we need to put on a timer, an hour later it's shut off. I hope you enjoy the fan, ceiling fan, for tall living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, wherever you need to put a fan. It is a nice size fan. Check online for further details about the makes, models, and colors the company offers. Enjoy your product if you are shopping for a ceiling fan. Thank you for viewing.